Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here at Over the Hill Yackers, we're all about staying active, whether it's hiking trails, kayaking calm waters, or pedaling through scenic routes. But there's one important piece we haven't talked about yet. How do we fuel our bodies to keep doing the activities we love? Today we're diving into 4 powerhouse foods: lamb, duck, liver, and sardines that support strength, stamina, and recovery. Because adventure doesn't happen on an empty tank. Lamb, for strength and endurance. Let's start with lamb. It's more than just delicious. It's loaded with high-quality protein, iron, and vitamin B12. These nutrients support muscle maintenance, energy levels, and mental clarity, essentials for staying active as we age. Choosing grass-fed lamb adds extra benefits like omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support heart health. Perfect post-hike meal: grilled lamb with roasted root vegetables. Duck, for healthy fats for heart and brain. Next up, duck, a flavorful meat rich in monounsaturated fats, like those found in olive oil. These fats help protect your heart and brain, 2 things that keep us moving and thinking sharp on the trail. It's also high in niacin and selenium, which support energy metabolism and immune function, great for recovery after long walks or paddles. Try pan-seared duck breast with a side of steamed greens. Liver, the ultimate recovery food. Now here's one that might surprise you: liver. It's like nature's multivitamin. Just 1 small serving is packed with vitamin A, iron, B12, and folate, all key nutrients that help your body recover after a day of activity. These nutrients support immune health, red blood cell production, and even brain function. Think of liver as your post-adventure reset button. Stick to once a week. Liver is potent in vitamin A. Sardines, for bone, brain, and joint support. And last but not least, sardines. Don't underestimate these small fish. They're rich in calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them perfect for supporting joint health, bone strength, and mental clarity. Because you eat them whole, sardines also help strengthen your bones, ideal if you're biking, hiking, or just staying active every day. Try sardines in olive oil with whole grain toast for a quick, energizing snack. Power your next adventure. Lamb, duck, liver, and sardines. So what's the takeaway? Lamb fuels strength and stamina. Duck supports heart and brain health. Liver delivers a nutrient boost for recovery. Sardines keep bones and joints strong. These 4 simple foods can help power your body for all the activities we love to feature here on Over the Hill Yackers. If you're ready to fuel your adventures with smarter nutrition, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stick with us for more outdoor tips, senior health hacks, and inspiration to keep moving, because your best years are still out there.